This is our first bit of rain since we've been here, day 2. The thunder's been rolling around for a while now. This doesn't seem too worried about it. Not much activity around here anymore. Pretty thankful right now that I've done my riding for the morning, and hopefully by the time I have to ride again, this will have all disappeared. Romeo apparently wants to go out into the rain.